Hey there, and welcome back to World Decor Idea. Today we're heading up to the rooftop to explore 14 stunning pergola designs that'll completely transform your outdoor space into the ultimate relaxing getaway. Whether you love minimalist vibes or bold, dramatic styles, we've got fresh inspiration waiting for you. Let's dive in. Imagine stepping into this rooftop and instantly feeling your shoulders drop. The clean lines, soft beige decking, and pale cushions make everything feel calm and easy. Sunlight filters through slim beams, casting gentle shadows over the low sofa and black coffee table. Planters with grasses sway in the breeze, adding just enough movement. It feels like the kind of place where you sip iced coffee, daydream, and forget how busy the city really is. This rooftop feels like a Mediterranean holiday you never have to fly to. The lime-washed bases, warm oak beams, and terracotta accents wrap you in sun-soaked comfort. Built-in benches stacked with cushions invite you to stretch out for hours. Lavender and olive trees release that subtle, herbal scent when the sun hits. It is the kind of place where afternoons slide effortlessly into golden evenings, with soft conversation and slow, relaxed energy. Up here, the city suddenly feels like a dramatic backdrop instead of a daily grind. The black steel pergola and concrete floor give everything a bold, urban edge, yet the caramel leather chairs and charcoal sectional soften it. A sleek fire table waits for cooler nights, but even in full daylight the space feels stylish and grounded. The tall planters and grasses help buffer the noise, turning this into a chill, members-only feeling rooftop retreat just for you. This rooftop is all about lightness and softness, like a Scandinavian living room floated into the sky. Pale wood beams, ash-tone decking, and creamy cushions keep the mood bright and easy. The built-in benches with hidden storage feel incredibly practical without looking bulky. Evergreen planters give a hint of forest calm, making the air feel fresher. It is the spot where you pull on a sweater, curl up with a book, and just soak in the cool, clear daylight. Here, the rooftop feels almost sacred, as if the city has quietly stepped back. The cedar pergola, gravel, and timber deck bring a natural, calming rhythm to the space. Low cushions around a simple tea table encourage more intentional, unhurried time. The reflecting pond catches sky and shadows, adding a soft, shimmering layer. With the maple and evergreens framing everything, it is a place for slow mornings, quiet thoughts, and a deep, steady sense of peace. This rooftop has pure vacation energy, the kind you wish you could bottle. Crisp white framing, light fabric sails, and weathered teak create a breezy, coastal vibe instantly. Striped loungers practically insist you stretch out with a cool drink. Rope details and lanterns add just enough charm without feeling fussy. With hydrangeas and grasses catching the breeze, it feels like a seaside deck, even if you are actually in the middle of the city. Up here, everything feels quietly high-tech, but still comfortable and human. The louvered pergola can shift from full sun to filtered shade in a moment, so the mood adapts with you. The warm stone-like tiles, generous sofa, and sleek dining area feel like an outdoor extension of a modern apartment. Hidden screens give privacy when you need it. This rooftop becomes your flexible living room in the sky, ready for solo downtime or small gatherings any day. This space feels like a soft, sculpted cloud made for slow lounging. The curved timber structure overhead gives gentle shade without feeling heavy. Terrazzo floors, pebble-shaped seats, and a travertine table keep everything tactile and inviting. Planting beds blur the edges, so the deck melts into greenery. It is the kind of rooftop where you lie back, trace shapes in the sky, and let your brain finally quiet down for a while. This rooftop is moody in the best, most cinematic way. The navy pergola and charcoal decking create a cozy, cocoon-like atmosphere, especially against the city backdrop. Deep green sofas and jewel-tone cushions feel rich and comforting. Brass accents catch the sunlight just enough to add warmth without glare. With slatted screens and climbing vines wrapping around you, it becomes a tucked-away lounge that feels perfect for slow music and unhurried conversations. Here, the rooftop whispers rustic charm without ever feeling rough. Chunky reclaimed beams and wide plank wood underfoot give the space a grounded, familiar warmth. The U-shaped sofa invites everyone to gather around the glowing fire bowl. Woven chairs and patterned cushions add just a little personality. Rosemary and olive trees perfume the air, making it feel like a hillside retreat. It is the ideal setting for long evenings with good stories and a glass of something nice. This small rooftop proves size really is just a number. The slim white pergola and retractable canopy keep everything feeling open yet protected. Built-in benches hide clutter, so the space always looks pulled together. A foldable table and nesting stools adjust easily from solo laptop time to dinner for two. Vertical planters make the most of every inch. It is a tiny but mighty escape where you can breathe, stretch your legs, and still enjoy big sky moments. This rooftop feels like a stylish rooftop bar, but you get to decide the guest list. The brass-toned frame and geometric screens create an instant sense of drama. Checkerboard tiles underfoot set a playful, yet elegant tone. Emerald seating and fluted tables lean fully into that luxe, vintage-inspired mood. Topiary planters and a round daybed pull everything together. It is a space designed for sunset photos, clinking glasses, and feeling just a bit glamorous. This rooftop is wonderfully relaxed and a little bit wild, in the loveliest sense. The bamboo pergola and woven mats cast the prettiest shadows on the timber deck. Layered rugs, cushions, and poofs encourage everyone to sit wherever feels right. Macrame, lanterns, and hanging plants turn it into a dreamy nest in the sky. It is made for barefoot evenings, soft playlists, and friends sprawled around laughing until it gets dark. This rooftop feels almost weightless, floating between city and sky. The slim black structure and clear glass roof keep everything visually light while still cozy. Limestone look tiles glide right from inside to out, making the whole home feel bigger. Deep loungers and a sculptural chaise practically beg for long naps in the sun. Tall grasses sway at the perimeter, softening the view. It becomes your private sunroom in the open air, perfect for lazy, light-filled afternoons. And there you have it, 14 beautiful ways to turn your rooftop into a personal paradise. From Mediterranean warmth to sleek modern escapes, there's something here for every style and space. If you love these ideas, hit that like button, subscribe for more design inspiration, and drop a comment telling us your favorite look. Thanks for watching.